Hello guys, welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create named ranges in Microsoft Excel. First of all, what are named ranges? A named range is a user-defined label assigned to a cell or a group of cells. This label allows you to refer to that cell or a range of cells by a descriptive name instead of a cell address. What that means is that whenever you are about to perform calculation, let's say you have a range of cells containing data and you want to add them up, or you want to multiply, or you want to perform an operation with that cell, you can just select the entire range and then assign a particular name to that range so that you can easily perform calculation using that range. So first of all, I'm going to give you or show you some of the rules involved, some of the rules that you follow when creating named ranges. Then after taking a practical lesson, I'm going to give you an exercise. So first of all, let's go into the rules. So on this spreadsheet, I have a list of rules, three rules actually, that you can use while, or you consider while creating named ranges. And then I have a table here which I'm going to use to show you how to create a named range. First of all, rule number one says named ranges can't start with numbers, which means that if you are naming a range, assuming I want to add up all the income on this table and then get the total here, what I might do, or what I can do, is to rename this range, give it a specific name or descriptive name that I can use to perform that calculation. So here's how you do that. After you highlight the range of cells you want to rename, you can go to formulas, and then under formula you click on define name. All right, so right here you can see that you can define the name of your selected range of cells right here. It has been automatically, a name has been automatically assigned to it, as you can see. This is because I converted this range to an Excel table, and then it just considered the title of the column, that is the column header, and then assigned the name to it right here, income. But if I want, I can change the name to whatever I want. But let's follow the rules once again. First of all, name ranges can't start with numbers. So assuming that I decide to put a number right here, this is not going to work, because according to the rule, we can't start the name of a range of cells using numbers. Secondly, name ranges can start with special characters. Examples of these special characters like the hash symbol, the @ symbol, the percentage symbol, and so on. All the special characters you can use to start the name of your ranges or the name of a particular cell. And then finally, you can't add spaces in between characters. So let's say, for instance, this is income. I decide to change this title to weekly income. Now if I try to confirm this again, it's not going to work. That's because spaces are not allowed in name ranges. So you are not allowed to add space on the name of your range or of your cell. So instead of space, you can add an underscore right there. All right, so you can add an underscore instead of space. So but I think I'm okay with the name income right here. So I'm going to have to select a scope. Now the scope could be the workbook, the home page, which is right here. It could be the rules page, or it could be the exercises or the exercise page. All right, so I'm going to choose the entire workbook, which means that I want this named range to be available on the entire workbook, not just a specific spreadsheet. So I'm going to tap OK now, all right, to confirm my named range. All right, I have that. Okay, so if I return back to the home tab, all right, and I go to view and then formula bar, you can see my named range right here. Okay, again, if I highlight the entire range, you can see the income, the name of the range right there. So this is how you use it in the formula. I can start by assuming I want to add up all the income and get my result here. I'm going to say equal to sum, open bracket. So once I start typing the name, the income there, you see, this is going to give me the name of the range right there. Alternatively, I can just tap F3 on my keyboard and select the named range. Whenever you create a named range, you can access all your named ranges under F3. So select that and click OK. All right, then close the bracket, which means I want to sum up all the income, all right, using my named range. So once I hit enter, this is going to give me the total income right here. So guys, that's the easy way, an easy way of creating your named ranges. So I think it is very easy to perform large calculation or perform calculation using a large data set by just creating named ranges for each column or row, as the case may be. Okay, so if you understand this exercise, this short of the exercise, you can go to the exercise spreadsheet and then try to create named ranges right here for the different products. Like noodles, you can create a named range. You can name all the weeks under noodles and then add it right here. Okay, so you can also do the same thing for pasta. You can do the same thing for sugar. Just create named ranges, okay, using the method we just used right here. All right, so take this as a personal exercise and then calculate the total quantity sold for all the products right here using named ranges.